What is up, everybody? We are in Sierra National Forest. We are camping for 4 nights. Right now we are parked at a little spot that we just found that has a little waterfall access or a little river access over here on the left. We're trying to find somewhere to camp tonight, and then tomorrow morning we're going to be meeting up with 2 other trucks. We'll be filming all of that as well, meeting up with them and the trails that we'll be doing. We're going to be going and doing some trails that one of my buddies knows about. I've never been up here. Derek's never been up here. We're kind of just driving aimlessly.
We're going in blind on this one.
We're going to try to keep the talking and vlogging to a minimum.
And then we'll also do setting up our campsite tonight. So like unpacking everything. That's all I have.
Welcome back to Avid Outdoors.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Quick little update here. Our day has been pretty shitty so far, actually. We have not found a spot to camp yet. It's about sunset right now. The sun's going down. We pulled off into a day use area on Lake Shaver. So here's the lake behind me. There was one sign at the gate that said no camping, but there's no one in here, and we're just kind of hoping that they just close the gate on us and we can end up camping here, but not really sure if that's gonna work out. Dylan's not really in the mood to talk since he has been driving all day and is pretty frustrated that we haven't found anywhere really all that cool. The only spot that we really found that was like any promising was that first spot that you guys saw with like all the water, the little waterfalls and water pools and stuff, but the camp, it wasn't really a very ideal spot to camp. So we just tried to drive around and find somewhere better, but that has been a complete fail for the day. But we're gonna try and chance it and camp here. If we get kicked out, not really sure what we're gonna do, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully have a better day. See ya.
So you were on 17?
Yep.
How many nights?
It was just for last night.
Just for last night? Okay.
Yep.
It's $31.
I just had to pay for camping because apparently, well, actually, I don't even want to tell them that. So just
We're gonna meet up with these guys and figure out what they're gonna do, and probably just follow them along. Hopefully, they can take us to a better spot than we could find yesterday. So, hopefully, give you guys an update later.
So we met up with our 2 buddies. We're driving down this long road and it is like getting really wet. And yesterday, for the little bit that we vlogged, it was like, it got up to like 95, and then today we just were down at the store probably like 35 minutes ago or 45 minutes ago, and it was 100 degrees out. And now if you look outside, it's raining. The roads are wet, and like we were not expecting this. We don't have clothes for this. Nobody brought easy ups. All right, not that I know of. I didn't bring one. It's the trail in. I don't think any of us have done it. I've never been up here, like I said before in another video, and I don't know. We'll see how the trail goes. It's supposed to be it's a high clearance trail only. It's not like we're in super capable rigs. We're just like, we're in our Tacomas. We all have sliders and we all have skid plates. Both of their trucks have lockers. I don't. They're TRD off-roads. One of them, that's TRD Pro, TRD off-road. Mine's a TRD Sport. So we'll see how we do on the roads.
Alright guys, so it is Saturday morning. We just woke up a little bit ago. I'm up in the woods right now. Our camp's right back over there somewhere. I don't know if you can see it, but we went down a couple off-road trails to get to this reservoir yesterday afternoon, which you guys just saw clips of that. So we just cooked dinner last night, got some rest, and kind of getting a slow start today. Probably gonna hang out here by this lake for a while and eat lunch and then start packing up. And I don't know exactly where we're going. I think we're gonna do a Bald Mountain off-road trail, which will end up at the top of Bald Mountain, and we're gonna try and camp at the top of that. But this is gonna be the end of this video, so we'll see you guys in the next episode.